always get the understanding on why things happen, how they happen. All you can do is just keep pushing forward on your faith. Put God first and foremost. Know that He will never steer you wrong because He said His word will never come back to Him void, and He will never leave nor forsake you. So keep moving, keep pushing. Know that as long as you give it to God, it will be okay. Your master will never lead you astray. That's all we could do is keep pushing forward. Stay in prayer. Keep a heart of love open to everyone. And just know anything or anyone that has done anything against you, let God handle it. That's His business. Vengeance is mine, said the Lord. We're not trying to do get back, lick backs, none of that. It's about God. Have the open heart to your brothers and your sisters. And that's all we could do. We were forgiven and we have to forgive.